For decades, the V12 was the heart of Lamborghini's soul. Loud, wild, unapologetic, and when the world said that era was ending, Lamborghini answered with this, the Revuelto. Not as a goodbye, but as a warning that the future can be even more brutal. This isn't just another supercar launch. It's Lamborghini, rewriting its own legacy. The Revuelto is their first ever V12 hybrid, and instead of dialing things back, it turns everything up. More power, more speed, more emotion. This is what happens when tradition collides, head-on with the future. At its core sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, screaming with the kind of character most brands have already abandoned. On its own, it delivers around 725 horsepower. But Lamborghini didn't stop there. 3 electric motors step in, filling every gap with instant torque, pushing the total output to an insane 1,001 horsepower. The result is relentless. Acceleration 0 to 60 in about 2.5 seconds and a top speed pushing beyond 217 miles per hour. Every press of the throttle feels immediate, violent, and precise. All that power is controlled through a brand new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, mounted transversely for better balance and faster response. Paddle shifters snap through gears with surgical precision, while multiple drive modes completely reshape the car's personality from controlled and sharp to absolutely ferocious. It's not just fast in a straight line, it feels alive in every corner beneath the body. The Revuelto uses an advanced double wishbone suspension with pushrod-style dampers, inspired by motorsport engineering. Magnetic adaptive damping constantly reads the road, adjusting in real time to keep the car stable at high speeds and surprisingly composed when cruising. Massive carbon ceramic brakes bring everything under control, backed by advanced electronics like ABS and stability systems that work invisibly, letting the driver stay confident even at the edge. Visually, the Revuelto looks like it was carved by speed itself. Large, lightweight alloy wheels, 20 inches at the front and 21 at the rear sit, wrapped in high-performance tires built for maximum grip. The sharp Y-shaped LED headlights, aggressive daytime running lights, deep air intakes, and futuristic taillights all scream Lamborghini, but with a design language that clearly belongs to the next decade. And that's the moment you realize this. The car isn't replacing a legend, it's extending it. The Revuelto proves that the V12 doesn't have to disappear, it just had to evolve. And if this is the future of performance, it's louder, faster, and more emotional than ever. If this is where supercars are headed, you'll want to stay for what comes next.